JetFlite International is an aviation company with nearly 20 years of experience. It's our goal to be the global aviation leader in corporate aviation, in charter, in aircraft management, and aircraft maintenance, FBO services, aircraft sales. For nearly 15 years we've used Honeywell services. Initially MSP on our Garrett engines and on our Gulfstream APUs, and more recently we've used GDC, HAPP, and we'll be using MPP in the future for our environmental systems on the Gulfstream aircraft.
One of the first questions ever asked by a customer regarding anything regarding an airplane is how much does it cost? And with the Honeywell programs HAPP and MSP, we are able to tell them how much it's going to cost.
The reason we selected GDC, HAP, and MSP are twofold. Number one is the ability to have our pilots be able to obtain information quickly, and especially internationally on the road. Also economically, it enables them to run multiple flight plans until they find the one that's the most economical for that day. The HAP program gives us a predictable cost for the year for that equipment that it supports.
MSP has allowed us to put loaner APUs in the aircraft while APUs were being worked, which saves a great deal of time and in turn saves money and makes the aircraft more dispatch available. My primary responsibility as the Director of Maintenance is to oversee the maintenance of the aircraft to ensure that the aircraft are primarily safe and available for dispatch as much as possible. I can say that all of the aircraft, with HAPP specifically, we saved at least the premium and up to 4 times the premium on certain aircraft. Tied in with the actual savings on the HAPP is the dispatch reliability and the availability of the aircraft due to the parts being simpler to acquire and the aircraft being on the ground longer.
The Honeywell Global Data Center is the tool that JetFlite uses in order to decrease our response time from days to hours. It allows the sales department to quickly and efficiently determine whether or not we can accept the trip. It gives the dispatch the tool to make sure that they most efficiently plan the trip. It allows our flight crew the assurance that what they need can be done automatically and simply, so that the flight crew, the sales department, and the entire team can focus on the customer in order to provide them the service that they expect from the beginning of the mission to the end.
Over the years, Honeywell services have been instrumental in helping JetFlite to achieve our business goals. Honeywell services have allowed us to reduce downtime, increase our reliability, increase our safety, and allow us to reduce the operational costs of these aircraft.
These Honeywell services that we've selected have helped the company grow by about 10% in the last year. Also, these services have saved our aircraft owners on the average of around $70,000 a year.
Honeywell has provided us with everything that we need to help us grow our business, which is focusing on our customers' needs.